Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Eric Walker. I'm a renegade professional, a super guide, and a content contributor for marketingMerge. Today's tutorial is going to be pretty quick. It's going to be about how to take a screen capture, or simply a picture of your computer screen. I'm not really going to deliberate about all the reasons why you want to have this skill set, but it is suffice to say that it's very handy and there are so many uses for it. So let's get right into it. Step number one is you're going to decide what you'd like to take a picture of on your computer screen. And it really, literally can be just about anything at all. For the purpose of this short training, I'm just going to take a picture of the Google search engine bar. Step number two. Once you've chosen the screen image you'd like to capture, click the Print Screen button on your keyboard. The Print Screen button is located on the top right-hand corner of your keyboard, right above the backspace button. I'm using a Windows operating system. Specifically, I'm using Windows Vista. I know that all computers are different, but this is pretty standard for most computers. Step number three. You're going to go ahead and open up Paint. Step 4, you're going to go ahead and click Edit and Paste. That is how you retrieve the image. If you recall, when we were at the Google search engine bar, I took a picture of it by pressing that Print Screen button. It didn't seem like anything happened, but really something did. So I opened up Paint, and when I opened up Paint, I went to the Edit, and then I went to Paste so I could retrieve the image. Now your picture will open up in Paint. Step 5, you may want to crop your picture. You can only crop the picture in Paint. In order to do this, you're going to scroll up to the top and find the Image button, and then go down to where it says Crop. Crop basically means taking away all the other stuff you don't want in the image. When I click crop, my mouse changes. I'm going to left click, hold the cursor down, and I'm going to place it. You're going to see square dotted lines right around the image that I want to specifically have. In this case, you can see that I clicked the mouse, dragged it around the Google search engine icon. Now for step 7, we actually have to go back up to image again and down to crop again. The area that we have selected will now be our main image. So here was our original image, and this is what I wound up having. Okay, finally we have to save the picture. Once I have cropped it and have it the way I want it, I'm going to go up to File and Save As. I have to select the area where I'd like to save my image, and then I'm going to click Save. Okay, now let's put what I just told you into practice, actual practice. So here I am, I'm in front of Google. I want to take a picture of this screen. I'm going to go ahead and click the button that's on the top right hand corner of my keyboard, right above the backspace button, called Print Screen. You can't see it, but I just did it. Now I want to retrieve it. So I'm going to minimize my screen, so the only thing that I see is my desktop. So here I am on my desktop, and yes, that is my dog Redwood. I'm going to go down here to where the Start button, and here are the programs. I'm going to go up here to Paint. Now for you, your computer may be different, but you want to find the program Paint. Almost every computer has it. In fact, I'm pretty sure every computer does have it. I'm going to click it. Here I am in Paint. Now I have to retrieve the image. I'm going to click on Edit. I'm going to scroll down to where it says Paste, and voila. You'll see that I have the picture that I captured here in Paint. this is not exactly how I want it. I want to get rid of all this stuff over here. You see where I'm moving my cursor? I want to get rid of all that. The only thing I really want, I just want to see this Google search bar. So that's called cropping. I want to get rid of the other stuff. So in order to do so, I'm going to go up to image, click on image. I'm going to scroll down to crop. You'll notice my mouse has changed. I'm going to put my mouse where I want to begin. I left click, holding it down. I then move my mouse. I can create these little boxes. I want to make a box or a crop right around the area that I want. Okay, there I go. That's what I want. So now I'm going to let up off of it. Take my finger off the left mouse button. Okay, so now that I've cropped it, I've got to let the computer know that. So I've got to go back up to image and click crop. Voila! You'll see that it just took a picture of exactly the part that I cropped. It got rid of all the stuff around it. Now I need to save it. You can only save one thing at a time. If you were to take multiple pictures, you would only get the first or the last picture that you took in Paint. So I'm going to save it now and then place it on my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the desktop here. And I'm going to just call this Google Pic 2 because, for the sake of the demonstration, I had already made Google Pic 1. So save. And now I'm going to close out of this. And I should see that it's on my desktop. And there it is. Google Pic 2. I'm just dragging it here. There it is, Google Pic 2. So great. I have successfully taken a picture from my computer screen, saved it in Paint, cropped it in Paint, saved it, and now I can use it for future reference. I'm Eric Walker, and you've just learned how to create a screen capture. It's absolutely free. No need to download anything. No need to buy anything. And if you can understand this skill, it really will enhance your content that you're creating. Bye, everybody.